Join me as I dive into the incredible journey of the Parker Solar Probe and see if I can uncover just how fast this spacecraft really is compared to everything else we've sent into space. The Parker Solar Probe is an incredible feat of human innovation designed to study the Sun up close and personal. Its mission is to explore the Sun's corona, the outer atmosphere of the Sun, and uncover the secrets behind the solar winds that shape our space weather. But what makes this spacecraft so special is its ability to withstand the extreme temperatures of the Sun and travel at incredible speeds to get there. Studying the Sun is no easy task. The temperatures on the surface of the Sun reach as high as 5,500 degrees Celsius, and the corona is a scorching to million degrees Celsius. Not to mention the intense radiation and solar flares that can damage any spacecraft that dares to get too close. So, how do we even begin to study the Sun? Well, for starters, we need a spacecraft that can withstand those extreme temperatures. That means using materials that can absorb and dissipate heat quickly, like the special heat shield on the Parker Solar Probe. The Parker Solar Probe uses a specialized trajectory that takes it within from million miles of the Sun's surface, close enough to gather valuable data, but far enough away to avoid getting destroyed. Another challenge of studying the Sun is the sheer amount of data that needs to be collected and transmitted back to Earth. The Parker Solar Probe is equipped with a suite of advanced scientific instruments, including a magnetometer to measure the Sun's magnetic field, a plasma analyzer to study the solar wind, and a coronagraph to image the corona. All of these instruments need to be designed. The Parker Solar Probe is a marvel of modern technology, and its design is a testament to human ingenuity. From its heat shield to its advanced scientific instruments, every component is carefully crafted to withstand the extreme conditions of the Sun and gather valuable data. But what really sets this spacecraft apart is its incredible speed. On November 5, 2021, the Parker Solar Probe achieved a record-breaking speed of over 150,000 miles per hour, making it the fastest human-made object in history. This milestone is a huge achievement not just for the Parker Solar Probe team, but for space exploration as a whole. It shows us that even the impossible is possible with enough determination and innovative thinking. So, what does it mean to be the fastest spacecraft in history? Well, for one, it means that the Parker Solar Probe can gather data on the Sun's corona in real time, giving us unparalleled insight into the Sun's behavior in greater detail than ever before, helping us better understand space weather and its impact on our planet.